Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change chat wallpaper on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Snapchat application, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to click on Snapchat Plus, and you must subscribe to Snapchat Plus subscription to have this feature enabled. And then you need to click on chat wallpaper. So let me select my friend. Okay, and here you can see different chat wallpaper, and if you want you can write any prompt here and you can generate your own wallpaper with the help of AI generator here. So let me select this one and click on confirm, and if you want you can blur wallpaper as well like this and click on confirm. So let me show you now the wallpaper in the conversation. Let me go back, and I think this is the conversation. I changed the wallpaper. Here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can change chat wallpaper on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.